Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the Skull Survivor devlog. Today, we're going to be playing with CodeWhisperer, an alternative from Amazon to the Copilot from GitHub. So, there's a couple things that I noticed right off the bat, and you can compare them to my previous videos, but we'll just kind of get into it. This is going to be a short video. I'm just going to talk about a little bit of the kind of gotchas and things that you need to pay attention to, but we can get started. All right, so here's my project, Skull Survivor, and I have CodeWhisperer in the background here. First thing that you're going to need to know about CodeWhisperer is that you need to download the plugin from Amazon, the AWS Toolkit. You're going to go in there into the AWS button that shows up, and then you're going to start CodeWhisperer and then set up the builder ID, just like all that. And the thing that I wanted to show off here that I didn't think was super intuitive was this idea that generating multi-line suggestions from CodeWhisperer needed to be done with essentially block comments. So if you don't use block comments, then it tries to just generate one line at a time. It's super annoying. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here I have some unit tests, and so if I just say like test to do another to prove another boss spawns, then first of all, it doesn't really. So I just hit Alt C, and you didn't see it, but CodeWhisperer kind of like started loading at the bottom, didn't do anything. So, but then CodeWhisperer generated a test, and then generated a small block. And then I got nothing for a while, and then I got, oh hey, a large block. So it does appear to be able to do it. Couple things though that aren't super great about this is the inference doesn't necessarily always find the right stuff. And it seems to hallucinate a lot more. But this test would be okay. No overload for find objects of type that takes 2 arguments. And so it's trying to infer things off of this. Here, it looks like. And it's literally this like the word of here, which is just crazy. So it's hallucinating all the time, makes it especially difficult to work in Unity. I think that the product overall is probably fine. I think what's going on is I think there's a couple things. So it doesn't appear to use as much of your code base as context. And I think it just generated the exact same test, but actually hallucinated the wrong API for find objects by type. And so it just doesn't seem to be as smart as the other one. And so, yeah, I'm not sure what that's about. Another thing we can try here is test to prove the boss spawn fires an event, right? And so it always wants to generate this stuff. Let's just give it a second here. All right, so generating the wrong API still, and has nothing about the context of firing an event in the test, right? Because it just does, so it just copied. I mean, that was just like a straight up copy and paste. So I don't know. CodeWhisperer, I think, needs a lot of work compared to what I've seen from Copilot. And but I do think that probably Amazon is intending for people to use like AWS services and stuff. It's only generating one thing here. It doesn't have multiple examples. And a lot of the examples just have been hallucinating for me. And as you can see, like I was hitting the left and right arrow there. I didn't get any new suggestions or anything. So you know, while it's nice that they're offering it for free, it's actually probably faster to write unit tests in Unity without CodeWhisperer than it is to write them with it. So I hope that somebody from Amazon sees this and eventually, you know, fixes these issues. But for now, I'm gonna go off and try other tools to see if I get any better results. But yeah, hallucinations, bad number of suggestions, not a lot of context from the comments provided above, and it's just not inferring the right stuff, it looks like. So anyway, come back and see the next videos. Let me know in the comments if you have seen an improvement. I will be happy to come back and check it out again in the future. But uninstalling for now. Sorry. All right. Have a good one, everyone. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you all later.